What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, we're creating a cartoon illustration of a Christmas gingerbread man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Now leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle. I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then bend that back up towards the top. Now you want to make the eyes shine, so we're going to add a small highlight circle on the top left. So let's start on the left side, come around, and then back out. Let's line that up on the right side, going all the way around, and then out. Now on the bottom right, draw a smaller circle. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around those highlights. Now we're going to go in between the eyes and draw in the mouth. Start over on the left, curve this down and then up like a U shape. Now let's round up the top, going up and then down along the side. And we'll trace the mouth along the bottom, coming down and then back up. Let's give our character some eyebrows. Starting on top of the left eye, bend this up and then down in the middle. And just like we did with the mouth, we're just going to round up the ends, just pulling them back in. And we'll trace out the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now you want to add a curve just up above the eyebrows for the hat. Let's start over on the left, curve this up, come across, and then back down on the right side. Let's round up the side of the hat, going around and then back in like a bracket. And we'll close off the top with that same curve, starting on the left, going up, and then back down. I'm going to go back down and draw the bottom of the head. We're going to connect these 2 points with the curve, starting on the left, going all the way around the head, coming in just underneath the mouth, going up towards the right, and then bend that back in towards that bottom point. Now over on the right side of the hat, we're going to draw a small circle for the ball, going all the way around, and then back down. Let's go all the way over to the left side, draw the top of the hat. We go up, round up the hat, and then bend that down on top of the ball. Let's go over towards the right side and add a fold. We're going to go up and then bend that in. From the top of the ball, we're going to step in, taper this in towards the side of the hat. Now we're going to move down and draw on the scarf. From the center, let's step over towards the right. We're going to bend this down, go out, and then back in. Round up the bottom. And then follow that same curve, going out, in, and then up underneath the head. Let's wrap the scarf around the neck, starting over on the left, come down, across, and then in behind. Now we're going to continue on the right side, just tuck that up underneath the head. Let's add a pattern to the scarf. Starting from the bottom, just going to draw a wave, going around, and then back down, step up and draw that again, and just work our way up towards the top with one more. Now we're going to go across the scarf, starting on the left, just going to wave this down, and then work our way over towards the right. Let's add one small one on the right side. Now before we get into the arms, let's draw a large candy cane on the left side. We're going to start right beside the head, draw a straight line, come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're just going to curl this around, going up and then down towards the side. Let's round up the bottom and pull that back up. And I just want to trace the cane along the inside, going around towards the top, and then come straight down towards the bottom. And then we'll round up the bottom. Let's add those stripes inside the cane. We start from the bottom left, then this across and then up. Leave a gap, just work our way up towards the top. Now around this bend, I'm just going to go up and then out towards the left, and we'll add one more. Now that we have the cane, let's draw in the arms. We're gonna start from the top of the scarf. We're just gonna angle this up and out behind the cane on the left. Go to the right side, draw another line. Now I want to round out the hand, come all the way around, and then bend that back in towards the side of the body. Let's go over towards the left side. I'm just gonna go in behind the cane, tuck that back in on the side. Now I'm gonna draw that same angle line coming down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's go all the way down with an angled line towards the bottom of the legs. Start with the left side to right about there. And do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the legs. Starting on the left, come all the way around. I'm just gonna pull that up in the middle. Come down towards the right, round up the leg, and then bend that back up. Let's add a couple buttons in the center of the body, starting from the top. Draw a circle, leave a gap, and add one more. Let's give our character some gloves. We're going to start from the top of the arm. I'm just going to draw a wave going all the way down toward the bottom. I just want to trace that along the inside and do the same thing on the right. Let's add that same wave across the bottom of the legs, starting on the left, going all the way across. Let's line that up on the right side. And I'm just going to trace that along the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of a Christmas gingerbread man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.